Clover D7A. Clover D7A Review. Best Clover Water Dispenser. Everything you need in a water dispenser shows up in the Clover D7A. The delivery is nothing short of pure, delicious water, complemented by commercial-grade water filtration. Get the D7A out of the box, use the installation kit with easy-to-follow instructions, have the elegant design up and running, and complement any home, kitchen, or office style. The Clover Bottleless cooler has an instant cold faucet and a child-resistant hot water faucet. Water stays fresh in the 1-gallon sealed stainless steel reservoir until you're ready for a drink. The stainless steel hot water tank holds 1/3 of a gallon and dispenses at 180 degrees. Clover D7A is a one-piece, durable, easy-to-clean, freestanding, factory-sealed UV-resistant cabinet. The lift-out dip tray is dishwasher safe, and all the inclusive tubing is food grade. Clover's water filter is tested to NSF Performance Standard 42 and Standard 53, and the filter life is 300 gallons. Inside the Clover, you'll find a top-quality 178 compressor and lead-free components as defined by the Safe Drinking Water Act. At a mere 30 pounds and measuring 12.5 by 12.4 by 39.3 inches, the Clover D7A is the best Clover water dispenser. Warranty: 1-year warranty plus replacement parts if found defective. Pros: CSA and Energy Star certified. Twist off easy change filters with auto shutoff. Filters independently certified to 1,500 gallons. Cons: challenging setup and installation. Extremely slow fill rate. Condenser runs loud when refilling.